red color. Wow, rainbow chick. Hello, we got a rainbow chick from a spin. Wow, they are so cute. Come on, let's play with the chick in the grass. Green color. Sugar glider. Hello, we got a sugar glider from a spin. Come on, let's feed a sugar glider in a grass. Blue color. Hamster. Hello, we got a hamster from a spin. Wow, he is so cute. Come on, let's play with the hamster in the grass.
Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three, fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Purple color. Lovebird. Hello, we got a lovebird from a spin. Come on, let's put the lovebird in a cage. Yellow color. Angelfish. Hello! We got two angelfish from a spin. Come on, let's put the angelfish in a fish tank.
The dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
Orange color. Wow! Snail!
On. Action.
Hello! I got a snail from a spin. Wow! Let's count the snail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow! We got 7 snails.